To index your Instagram posts on Google, you must fulfill 3 requirements. You must be over 18, your account needs to be public, and you must have a professional account. To switch your personal Instagram account to a business one, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, search for Account Type in Tools, and then click Switch to Professional Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Next, check if your account and content are public. Go to the menu and search for Account Privacy. Ensure that the toggle next to Private Account is turned off. After fulfilling the requirements, enable search engines to read your content. Turn on the toggle next to Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. Indexing and ranking can take time, so don't worry if you can't find your posts on Google right away. Here are some tips to make your posts search engine friendly. Make sure your name and username exactly match your business name. Add your website and include relevant keywords in your bio that describe what your company does and where it's located. Write helpful captions for your posts that naturally include your main keywords. Ask yourself, what would my customer type into Google? Keep it simple and descriptive. It is also helpful to add alt text to your post images. It helps screen readers and search engines understand what is shown. Lastly, add a few relevant hashtags to your post. If you want to attract local customers, include your location. Remember, quality beats quantity. Think of each of your Instagram posts as a mini landing page on Google. The more optimized your posts are, the more opportunities there are for new customers to discover you.